My name is Autumn Weaver, and I am a 2020 graduate of Upper Iowa University, where I studied secondary education and the all-science degree. I am currently a third-year physics and chemistry teacher at Cedar Falls High School. When I toured campus during my senior year of high school, the environment I was brought into felt like home. I met with a few professors and faculty members who instantly made me feel welcome and encouraged to do better even though I wasn't enrolled. I was instantly excited to be a part of the UIU campus life. During my science courses, I had a lot of professors who had and shared their passion for biology, chemistry, physics, environmental science, whatever it may be. I was eager to learn from them daily because they were excited about sharing their knowledge. They provided me with many opportunities and resources to grow as a pre-service science educator. I feel as though their passion and excitement drove me to share my passion and excitement for science for my current and my future students. Similarly, the education courses were developed and delivered to help each student grow before entering the profession. Each education professor provided us with a variety of opportunities to not only learn, but practice the different strategies they presented us. My education professors truly prepared me for the rigor and challenges I have and will continue to face as an educator. I am beyond thankful for the experiences and opportunity Upper Iowa provided me as an all-science educator. The smaller class size was something that really was exciting for me, as it created an environment where students were cared for, supported, and encouraged to do better every single day. This was important for myself because it helped me receive one-on-one support and guidance throughout my entire journey at Upper Iowa. A lot of students are balancing the life of college and providing for themselves, and I was a part of the majority who had to work while completing my student teaching hours, which created a sometimes busy and overwhelming stress. The Noise Scholarship would have allowed me to focus on my studies and provide quality time to create valuable lessons for my future teaching career. My piece of advice for anyone interested in the all-science education program is to take every opportunity to get into a classroom. You are able to do this even before attending college, as you can go and view or shadow your junior or high school teachers. This would allow you to see different teaching styles, different approaches, and just genuinely allow you to understand the teaching profession. Take any chance that you can to learn more about teaching and, of course, the wonderful subject of science.